What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I am recapping my week in the NFT space, and boy has it been a crazy week and weekend. But before we get into it, let's roll that intro. So if you folks have been paying attention to the NFT space this past week and this past weekend, you have probably seen the markets just shoot up like crazy. A bunch of projects got announced, a bunch of projects blew up, and we're gonna cover just some of them and some of the projects I am watching here in this video. Now, like I mentioned last week in my other video, the NFT market is probably coming back within this next month or so, but of course it always depends on what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing. So let's go ahead, let's jump on my computer first. Let's take a look at some of the charts to see how Bitcoin and Ethereum are, and then we'll get into some of the NFT stuff. So right here I am just looking at CoinGecko. I am on the Ethereum chart here, and like I've said before, and you've probably heard, but NFTs normally react the opposite of Ethereum, and where NFTs really tend to explode is when Ethereum kind of consolidates and stays at a steady level. So if you kind of look at this last period here, was this the past week or so, Ethereum has just kind of been bouncing up and down and consolidating within this like 4,000 to 4,400 area. If we look back at the previous month, from the end of September through October, you can see Ethereum was just going up and up and up, and that's where the NFT market tended to not have as much volume and everything, because everyone was holding Ethereum and not investing it into NFTs. So we can also look at Dune Analytics here, and if we look at the volume these past few days here from the 13th, so this past week, volume has been a little bit higher compared to what we were at maybe the end of October here. And probably some of the biggest NFT news that you folks might have heard of this week was an NFT called Wolfgame. Now, I pulled up Wolfgame here on OpenSea. Right now their floor price is 3.99 Ethereum. It's pretty much 4 Ethereum right now. When I saw these guys, or when I saw someone make a call on this Wolfgame NFT, they were at 0.1, and that was, I think, maybe 3 days ago. So they went ahead, this NFT project exploded, a bunch of people got into it. Now this project took a very interesting concept, and it's something new, I think, to the NFT space, but you are earning a utility token called wool. Now you earn wool by staking your sheep, but there are also wolf NFTs that you can purchase. They are a bit more rare, they do cost a bit more, but this whole concept and idea of this wolf game, I think, is going to kind of bring about a new era of NFTs. You have already seen many projects being released saying that they're like the wolf game, saying that they are creating a NFT project around the same thing. Now I do advise everyone, if you are looking into these other projects because you feel like you missed out on Wolfgame, please do your own research. Make sure that the project that you are looking into and that you find is legit. I feel like there may be a lot of people scamming out there who just want to build off of the hype of Wolfgame, and they may be creating a project just to scam you out of your money. So please do your own research and please be careful. Now, next project we're going to go into is SODA, or Society of Derivative Apes. They went ahead and had their pre-sale and public sale. I believe their public sale was a day ago, the pre-sale was the day before. But this project is something I've been looking into. It's taking that idea of merging two popular blue chip projects together. So you're taking like apes, like Bored Ape Yacht Club, and you're taking kind of the colorway and art style of doodles and meshing them together to create a project. I really enjoy the artwork. I think it's really great. I missed out on doodles, and I feel like this is a nice way to kind of get a doodle feeling project with also a Bored Ape Yacht Club feel to it. Now, they did run into some issues where their Discord did get hacked into and a fake link was released. They were able to, I think, scam about 40 Ethereum from users, but the owners of SODA SODA and the creators of it, they did a really good job, I feel, and they are reimbursing the 43 Ethereum to those people who got scammed by the fake link. They are shutting down certain Discord channels just for a little bit so that they can go ahead and make sure everything is secure. I'm just excited and waiting for the reveal here. After the pre-sale, these floor price dropped down to about 0.06. Right now it is back up. It hovers between right now 0.5 and 0.6. We'll see where it goes to once they do the actual reveal. All right, the next project is Meta Travelers. Now, I talked about this in my other video. They are a 3D avatar project with these galactic looking avatars. They went ahead and had their pre-sale and public sale. I believe they sold out really quick in about 10 to 15 minutes. But like I said in my previous video, I really do see a future in 3D avatar projects and being able to implement them into the metaverse. They already mentioned that they have a plot of land in Decentraland, so they are going to be implementing their stuff into Decentraland. I'm excited to see the reveals of them. Right now, they're at a 0.16 floor. Earlier, before their pre-sale, they were about the 0.1 to 0.12 floor. They shot up a bit after the public sale, and they've been sitting nicely at this 0.16 for quite some time. Another project I'm looking at right now, and that has seen an increase in volume actually as of this morning when I'm making this video, is Kumo Residents. If we take a look at their website, you can see that they are very inspired by like the Harajuku kind of art style, very colorful. They have different styles of residents, that is what they call it. So you have apes, Harajuku, foodies, creatives. You also have ninjas, sea creatures, undead, and you also have oni and deities. I saw a call on Twitter and the volume of these have raised quite a bit since this morning. And the nice thing to see is it's not just people sweeping the floor, but people are actually looking at the traits and characteristics and picking out things that they really like the look of and enjoy. You can see down here, this is their team. They also have their roadmap. And the first thing that I found very interesting and that really drew me to this project was the first thing on the roadmap is a children's storybook NFT. And I think it's a really cool and interesting concept for a roadmap idea. One, the characters are very children friendly. They have that nice cute chibi anime look to them, and I think it would work really good in a children's storybook. And it also brings the knowledge and information of what NFTs are in a friendly way where children can understand. So that was a really nice touch that I liked on their roadmap. They are also introducing their KW coin. They're going to be releasing merchandise, collaborations with other projects, and some nice in real life adventure events. What I'm also looking forward to is the future, but we may not be seeing this anytime soon. The idea of an RPG game with Kumo Residents. I think the artwork would work very well with that, and I'm excited to see where this project goes and what they can come out with. Those are the NFT projects that I've been watching this past week. You can go ahead and take a look at them. And if you want to know this information a little bit more live, you can actually join my Discord server that I just created. Links are all down in the description down below, so come join it. I always post this stuff as soon as it comes to my attention. We also have some trackers tracking some Twitter accounts, so they may post it as well. So if you join the Discord, you'll probably be able to get this information a lot quicker. These videos normally once or twice a week I create, so if you want information daily, again, join that Discord down below. Now, just recapping some of the things I got from the NFT projects that I'm already part of. The first one is MonkeVerse. I've been talking about them for the past week or so, but MonkeVerse went ahead and released their Banan coin. So if you are a holder of MonkeVerse NFTs, you will generate 10 Banan every day for each monkey that you hold. You can see if you come to their website and you link your wallet, you'll see how much Banan you can collect. You can go ahead and claim it. You do have to pay gas to claim your Banan token, so I wouldn't recommend collecting it like every day, but you'll also be able to breed your monkeys together. It is going to cost 600 Banan to breed your monkey to create a baby monkey. And they also released the news that the Banan token will be available on a popular crypto exchange, so we're just waiting to hear the news of exactly what exchange that is and what can we swap it out for. I also got another airdrop from Cool Cats. They actually went ahead and dropped their achievement rewards for those who participated in the pumpkin carving and costume contest. So you can see here, this is the costume contest one. This one I really like because there was actually only 140 that were distributed to people who participated, and you can see right here the current price that this is going for, the lowest right now, is $475. Now, one thing that I love about Cool Cats is all the art airdrops that they do for participants participating in events that they do, or just being a holder of CoolCat. Bunch of these things that they airdrop. Other people, want to be part of the CoolCat's community and can't afford a CoolCat, so they might go ahead and purchase one of these artworks. I think in all, since I've been holding CoolCat since July, I think I calculated all the airdrop totals, and this is not including the CoolCat itself. This is just all the airdrops, but I believe the total right now, the value of it is about 0.5 Ethereum, which is a little over $2,000 worth of free airdrops that I got just for participating and being a part of the CoolCat's community. And I think those are projects that you should really keep your eye out on, are projects that really involve their community, engage with their community with different events, and reward those who actually participate in those events. Okay, and now I'm going to go over a couple projects that I am looking to in the future. They have not been released yet, but they are projects that I find very interesting. One, I like the artwork, and the first one is WGMInterface, but they're these cool 3D avatars here. They kind of remind me of a doodle-esque type of artwork where they have these like floating faces. They're gonna have different elements for their head. So if we go actually to their Twitter page here, we can look through some of the different sneak peeks that they released. But the artwork, the 3D work, very well done. I think very creative. There's a lot of different categories and genres that they relate to, so I think a lot of people are going to love them. Now, they made it very clear that they don't have any specific roadmap or anything, but I think just purely on the artwork itself, this project is going to do very, very well. And if you want to go ahead and follow them and see what they're doing, again, everything that I'm talking about today will be linked down in the description below. And the last project I want to talk about is something called Build-A-Byte. This is a project I came across, and I've been waiting to see a concept like this in the NFT space. But basically what they are going to be doing is releasing an NFT in a layer system. And what I mean by a layer system is they'll be releasing skeleton NFTs, then they will be releasing skin or a second layer, and then they'll be releasing things like face attributes or clothing. You can see here on the right hand side, you have a skeleton. Pull this one up. You have a skeleton, you have like this skin here with this face, and that is going to be put together to create your new NFT. So you can kind of scroll through here, you can add a hoodie onto them, then you can add maybe some 3D glasses and a smoking pipe. And they're actually going to be releasing these in different sets. So the first set that they're going to release is the skeleton set, and they're actually releasing it for I think 0.006 Ethereum, so about $25 at the time of making this video. And then they're going to be releasing things slowly as far as the next layers and things that you can add on to your byte. So I think it was a really cool concept, and I was waiting to see a project really implement this whole idea of having like a base layer avatar and then being able to purchase the things that you want to put onto the avatar and being able to customize your own NFT. So I'm following them right now. I'm gathering information, seeing what the project is going to lead up to, but I am very excited to finally see a project implementing something like this. So that's all I have for this video. This past week, like I said, has been a very, very busy week in the NFT space. If you folks did find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, also turn on the notification bell so you know when I post here on YouTube. I don't really have a set schedule, but as information and everything comes up, I try to record when I have free time and edit these videos as quickly as possible. And again, if you folks want to join my new Discord channel to get all this information real time as soon as I find it out, link to that Discord is down below. I look forward to seeing you folks in that Discord server, and until next time, see ya.